Hey guys, it's Melissa here. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, okay, it's kind of. Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and today I'm gonna be doing another burping compilation. And surprise here, today is my grandma's birthday. And if you're gonna say nobody cares, you should care because she has passed away. Like I don't even remember, but she died of cancer, an unknown cancer. Who knows what kind of cancer it was. So let's get started with all the burpees. It's gonna be like the same videos, but it's like more extended. So yeah. Ew. Oh my god. Hope you guys freaking laughed at this video, and make sure you like, subscribe, favorite, comment, turn on notifications, whatever you could do. And if you had like a sad day and this kid cured your sadness, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, tack för att tittade och hejdå. Bloop!